Students and my little sister, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Students, the name of Allah which is most merciful and kind to each every human being. First of all, my introduction, my name is Mirhan, I'm a student of class 8. Today my topic is technology. So I will tell you some information about the disadvantages of technology. Most people believe too much on technology, on missions and gadgets.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah who is very kind and merciful to each and every human being. First of all, my introduction. My name is Sayyid Khan, the son of Sayyid Mumtaz Shah. Studied in class 5th, lived in Newport. Said that many people believe in gadgets and machines. So in gadgets they are just for fun and machines they came for. I will just give you an example. In old days, people worked 2 to 3 hours just to dig a hole, but now machine has come. It will dig a big hole in just 30 to 40 minutes.
People, you said the gadgets are funny for people, and people are interested in the gadget, and missions are very important for people, and it scares the time of human. But it has most disadvantage. It affects on our eyes. It affects on our skins. When we use most internet and we remain continuously the front of the screen, it affects our eyes and our screen.
So you say that mobile phone will decrease the light of our eyes. We cannot see properly. We will just buy a glass. No worries.
When you buy a glass and it will be effects on your body, skin.
How will a glass affect on our body?
Affects glass not, but the radius of screen.
Screen. We will just put the screen away from our eyes.
Technology, disadvantage of technology, it decreases the people, it is a major decrease of unemployment.
You say that mobile phone is a
Mobile phone now all other technologies are major points of unemployment.
inemployment. So you doesn't know about the technology. Even in nowadays, many people have laptops, phones. They work on their phone and their laptop. So there's no unemployment because they got a job easily.
You say that most people work on a digital device, but the most people which has not available digital device, they work on factory in a villages and cities. It becomes industries change their works and industries do their works and they are unemployment.
What do you just say?
I say the most people are unemployment for the cause of technologies. For example, industries.
How many people are? How the unemployment is spreading by technology? How?
If we in a repeat your point.
I said that how is unemployment spreading by technology?
Technologies give us more disadvantage,
How?
which is, for example, in a gun it is used for safety, but most people it is used for killing others people. It is
First of all,
disadvantage.
it's not others, it's others.
Yeah.
And you say that many persons buy guns and they for their safety, but they kill other people using the guns, right? So, first of all, when they kill another people, the police will arrive quickly because they just got message and
Please arrest dead people, you said, but they people killed others and It's the most people use the guns and most people kills others people.
Say that many
It's the disadvantage. I
many
say.
people use guns and kill other people, right? Then the police will arrest them. That's not a problem.
In there, most people use technologies in a wrong use, like
How?
how in a I tell you an example. It is a it is in a computer. Most people use it for hacking and drop their drop hack, capture their personal information and data and and hack on
You say that many people use computer for hacking. That's
Yeah.
for hacking. If there are hackers, then they are the opposite of hackers because hackers have a problem. If the password is very big, they will crack the password in 2 to 3 minutes. But if the password is very small, you will type every word and it will be unreadable for them because they don't have that much time to
still credit card is the cybercrime type.
how?
Most people steal your credit cards and use them their gains and they achieve gains for your names and they rob to people and they do bad works on your time names and if you will appear you have done this work.
What are you saying? Repeat the word.
I say the most people steal our NIC card and use it bad
How will,
for
how will
for stealing
someone
and for killing.
how will someone know our NIC card? How will someone know our NIC card?
If you have no NIC card, you have a personal information. Many hacker use phishing jelly and which is the types of hacking. Which is the software type of jellyfish which is used for which use control your mobile and or other device and they will say you give us so money and we remain your personal information safe. They give money from people.
First of all, it's not a problem that they are getting hacked. And second, you have to make your account password strong so the hacker cannot break it. And if you are going to a place and for example you are going to Hyderabad, okay, you have a rare disease, okay, and when you reach to Hyderabad you don't know the road of the biggest hospital in Hyderabad. How will you know it? You will use technology, right?
I will tell information from people. Most
But
people
if the people doesn't know
most people advise me.
how,
Other people are unknown. They are not unknown. They advise me and I will reach my manzil and my topic. I will.
but if they also doesn't know the road because it is the top private hospital, then how will you know that? And this, first of all, you are going at night to 2 to 3 a.m. Night Hyderabad is closed and there's no other people going outside. So how will you ask anyone?
I connect with my anybody and which is my relative. I connect my relative which is living in Hyderabad who will
If
advise
they
me.
are not living in Hyderabad, how will you do now?
Most people not living some parents are living, some relatives living in Hyderabad. I will connect with them.
If your relatives, your parents, everyone is living in Meetupur or Hyderabad and they don't know about the top private hospital, how will you reach them?
I use mobile and I search my.
But mobile, but if you are on the disadvantage of technology, so you don't have to use a mobile because mobile is also a gadget of technology.
I use a smart mobile. I use a smart mobile means little mobile which is used for calling.
Little mobile doesn't have a Google Map.
I use to train and buses. I used to train bus for reach the Hyderabad.
How you have reached the Hyderabad by taking by taking the help of other people's and asking about the road. But if you reach the Hyderabad on 2 to 3 a.m. a.m. means the time of night, 3 o'clock at night, how will you know about private?
I will stay in a hotel and for one day, and when sun rises I will go to my
have
music.
a rare disease that you will die in 10 to 12 hours. How will you reach it?
Dear small hospitals are surrounding. I will
But if
go
they
to there.
but if you have a rare disease and in small hospitals the small hospitals are closed at 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. You are reaching Hyderabad at 3 a.m.
Most people has a real disease which gives their notice for few times. I have for my disease for 20 days. I will use them when I reach my hospital.
I said, what did you say?
I say the most people have real disease intervals awareness. They keep medicine and syrups for their safety. For their safety.